Hello everyone, welcome here. FAQs for this course. Yes, these questions are very important for everyone. What do I need before learning this course? Yes, a basic computer operating if you know and how to access a web browser with internet connection is sufficient to learn this particular course. Is any source provided for this course? See, the source code you will generate using ChatGPT. So awesomely, you will make sure to learn many things. Any computer requirements for this course? Yes, the computer requirement like internet active for video lectures and practice ChatGPT queries to interact more concisely for developers and creating resumes. What the requirement of your queries in the real world exercises you will be practice. Such a scenario you need a computer system which is internet active. I'll see you at course. Thank you.